Hello, and today I'm going to walk you around the 2022 Trek Top Fuel 7. So this is a really great downcountry bike with full suspension and lots of cool features. So it has 29 size wheels, some hydraulic disc brakes, which are Shimano. It has a Shimano SLX drivetrain and a Fox float shock here, which has 3 options: lock, medium, and then completely unlocked, with the active braking pivot suspension. Then I put on some race face Chester pedals, which work really well so far. It has a dropper post, which activated right here. Works really well with the on trigger Arvada saddle. I'm thinking about getting the bars cut down, so they're quite wide. And the grips are very nice and squishy, lots of traction and grip. It also has Knock Lock 2.0. Has this internal cage place where you can store things. So just pull off the water bottle cage quite simply there. And inside I have a snack left in there. And then this bag, I didn't put in what they said to put in. I put in a pump, a tubeless repair kit, some zip ties, and some tire levers, so they actually fit in there, so that's really great. And it works really well, and it's super cool. There's this surprising amount of space in there. Everything works really well. But yeah, the front shock is a RockShox 35 silver, I believe, and it's really nice. This is a really great, cool bike. Definitely a big upgrade from the one I had before, which was a Excalibur 9. Full suspension is really cool. So yeah,